Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the comments on the pins on your Pinterest account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to turn off the comments for a particular pin or particular pin post on your Pinterest account, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, select the post. So here I just using this post, pencil post, and now I just need to turn the comment off for this particular post. So you have the two options to do this. Click on the three dot option of the post. You can just directly click on the allow command, turn this off, or click on the edit option. After going into the edit option, you just need to swipe down, click on the advanced setting, and here you have this option called allow commands. Just turn this off. Just come back and click on the save option. Now just click on the three dot option. You can see the allow command has been turned off. This is the way that you can just turn off a comment section on your pins in your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.